Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special video. I'm gonna show you a how-to to make exhaust valves for under any car. This video is made specifically for any car. I will show you the footage we use on my car, but it will be for every car because it's universal. You just put an order in for the valves, you put them on under it and just wire them the way I will let you see. So if you like that, leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. See you later, guys. Right, so guys, as you can see, that one fitted perfectly. And this valve, we had to shorten it out right around here, so it's still leaking a little, so we have to close this gap a little more. Right, so as you can see, we have all the parts we need: electrical wiring, vacuum hoses, 5 meters, which is good, the computer unit, clamps and T-pieces, and on the battery also dual remote controls and the logos from JM Tuning. That is where all this comes from. Basically the idea is the exhaust still runs here, and when you push the button on, there will go air to this, what's it called? I don't know, canister. It will open an exhaust valve right in here. So let me see if I can get it. And it will go a lot louder. Because I have a V8, I just want to do this because I believe it's gonna sound awesome. I hope. But so guys, basically we have the valves under it, and there is one hose coming into the back of the car, which goes to a magnet switch, which sucks the air, blows the air, no, the other way around, which goes in turn to the electric cable, which goes to this one for the remote control. And we made it so with the electrical wire, we made it in a cigarette lighter. So basically, as you can see, I already have two 12-volt plugs, so I can take it out whenever I want. That's the easy part. Now comes the hard part. Before it all works, we need to make sure one vacuum hose from here goes under the car and goes all the way to the front of the car, to the vacuum of the engine. That is around here somewhere around here. Alright guys, so we have made the hose, a little bit inventive, but we think it works. So now we have to create a hole in here somewhere around this place, put the hose in it all the way to the front, and just hook it up. Right, so guys, as you can see, that one fitted perfectly. And this valve, we had to shorten it out right around here, so it's still leaking a little, so we have to close this gap a little more, I think. And as you can see, the first hose goes there, and the second one, which goes under the entire car, is coming in here. Is Kevin doing that? Let me pull, pull board are from under to the side to the upper side, so it's easy peasy. We hooked it up on here and we made a couple of new hoses as well. We pulled it all the way down here, all the way down under the car, and the fact that you don't see it right now on video is a good sign. All the way in the back of the car. Now it's all hooked up. Let's see if it works. It's time for a little cold start. Let's do this.